how to use Revolut Contactless on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use your phone to make contactless payments from your Revolut account. Now, the first step is to go and open up the Revolut app. Click on the card icon in the top right-hand side. And the first thing we need to do is go and set up a virtual card. Now, if you haven't already done this, you can press Add New. You can then select Virtual, and you can go through the steps here to create yourself a free virtual card. Now, once you have your card set up, you should be able to see Virtual in your list of cards. And we can go and click on this like so. Once you've selected your card, you should have the option to add to Apple Wallet at the bottom of this screen. Go ahead and click on this. It will then say Add Card to Apple Pay. Click on Next in the top right-hand side, and that should go and automatically add this card to your Apple Wallet. Now, you may have to go and agree to the terms and conditions. So just press Agree, and once you've done that, you can close out of the Revolut application. Now, to begin using your Revolut card contactlessly, we just need to use the search box on our phone and go and search for Wallet and click on this app. You can then go and select your Revolut card like so, and you can now go and hold your phone next to a card reader in order to begin making payments. You can also double-click the lock screen button on the right-hand side of your physical device, and that's going to automatically bring up the wallet. And from here, you can make payments with your phone. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.